All right, MR-1 Yamaha engines. If you experience a stumble starting and or no start, you got water in your cylinders. It's not the head gasket. It's this seal right here has failed. As you see, that one's deteriorated. Okay, it's just completely fell apart. That is underneath this one, which has a small hole on the other side that's very hard to see. Lets water that's coming around this gasket into there, and with the pressure on it, blows back into the exhaust when you shut the engine off. And that is hidden underneath the main elbow boot up here that has the oil cooler water and the P-port. All right, just a heads up, there's your problem. It's not the head gasket.